how to install good budget planner app. So here you can see it's one of the top popular budget planning apps. In case you're just checking out few apps and just want to select the best apps for your budget planning, take a look at this app. It's being featured by iOS App Store. And then you can just go open the app. You can create a new account easily. You can set up your budget. So primary, monthly, how much you spend, how much you have savings, income estimate, just like whatever. And then envelopes field, and then you can just create your account from here. So even you can proceed without an account, and then you can see transactions, and then it's like very minimalistic design, just to have in a nutshell, just like a view what our main expenses are for you. Or usually people just set it up for the whole household, because for yourself, if you're a teenager or whatever, you can just probably manage it. But if you're a household, multiple people, you just have no idea where all the money are going through. And that's like a really good app also in times of recession and stuff. Just take a look. Like here you can just, add new transaction. Either it is like expense, who received payment, so date, checks. So I just, spend, expense. So anyways, like for example, and I can just save it. I don't know why anyways, probably just need to create an account. But the whole idea is just basically create transactions, and then you can see those in a list, and then you can see your overall analytics.